Hey friends, I'm Claire. Welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making beer bread. Now, truthfully, I generally don't drink much beer, so it wouldn't occur to me to cook with it. But I was at my friend Shelly's house for dinner, and at 6 o'clock, Shelly's like, oh, I forgot to make the bread. And an hour and 10 minutes later, we are sitting down, slathering butter on our warm slices of beer bread, dunking them in our soup bowls, and it was so good. So, this is a super simple, easy recipe. Let's jump right in. First off, preheat your oven to 375 degrees on bake. Then you're going to add 3 cups of flour to a large bowl. Then we're going to go with 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a cup of sugar, and then our beer. This is a brown ale, 12 ounces, which is a cup and a half, but really you could use absolutely any beer. The more flavor in the beer, the more flavor to your bread. I like to use this spatula as my spoon because anytime you're making anything with flour, it can really stick to the wooden ones, and I always feel like I'm wasting a fraction of the dough, which we want all that dough in our tin. So you're gonna mix this until it is all combined, scraping the sides, pulling it all together. We're not gonna over mix it. We're really just going to combine this until, oh, you can already smell the beer. Now the beer is really acting as your yeast and your water, right? So that's why this is such an easy, flavorful bread, because the flavor is already inherent in the beer. So then we are going to take our pre-greased bread tin and we are going to turn our dough out into that bread tin. Okay. Then we're going to just basically smush it like into the sides so that it meets all the corners. And then, you can even scrape that on the side, put it back in, and then we're gonna take 1/4 of a cup of melted butter and pour it over the top. Now the great thing about the melted butter is that you can just kind of move it around. And that's it. We are ready to put this in the oven for 1 hour. Okay, so our beer bread is hot out of the oven. We're gonna let it cool in the pan for just a few moments before we turn it out. The way that you're gonna know it's ready to come out of the oven is by using a skewer, insert it in, and you're looking for that skewer to be clear and clean of any dough. Let's talk about some variations. There's a lot of ways to go with beer bread. You could add cheese, a cheddar, a beemster, a parmesan. Those would all work great. They would be good alone, or you could couple them with some herbs, chives, basil, cilantro, finely chopped. Those would all be really nice folded into your dough also. Or sun-dried tomatoes, olives, caramelized onions. There's lots of options. But when this is ready to come out of the tin, oh, I know it's going to be hard not to cut into it warm. You're supposed to leave a loaf until it's completely cooled. That is so hard to do when it smells this good. So if you're anything like me, this might happen. This was my stunt loaf. I had to smell this being baked and then that being baked, and this just happened somewhere in the middle. I'm kind of tempted to just slather some butter in there and eat it from the inside out. So I'm gonna go now. Go make some bread. Have your own religious beer bread experience. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.